Hello everyone, today I'm going to share with you this pizza recipe. It's a chicken pizza recipe with a lot of cheese. So let's go ahead and prepare this. I'm going to surprise my kids with pizza. So welcome to Olayemi Cooking, and do not forget to subscribe. These are our ingredients that we are going to use to prepare our pizza. So we are going to start preparing our perfect dough. I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of sugar, then I'm going to add half teaspoon of salt, just like a pinch of salt, then 1 teaspoon of dry yeast. So I'm using dry active yeast. So let's activate our ingredients. I'm adding lukewarm water into this. I'm using 1 cup and a half. I'm going to put down the ingredients in the description below. Do not forget to check that out. I'm just going to give it a nice mix and let everything well combine. Then I want my ingredients to be well combined. So I'm going to go ahead and add some 1 teaspoon of honey. It really tastes good when you combine your ingredients with honey. It is absolutely delicious. So do not forget to try this recipe and let me know what you think. I'm going to go ahead and add 1 cup of flour, wheat flour. I'm using wheat flour. I'm going to combine wheat flour with all-purpose flour. So I just want you to feel that taste of the wheat flour in it. So I'm going to go ahead and add 2 cup of all-purpose flour. So it's just a combination of wheat flour and all-purpose flour to prepare our pizza dough. So let's just combine our ingredients. If you've not liked this video, do not forget to hit the like button on this video, and if you're really enjoying this recipe, please do not forget to share it with your loved ones, your friends, and your family. This ingredient has been well mixed, so I'm going to add cooking oil, a 1/4 cup of cooking oil. Then I'm going to go ahead and mix this. I want the dough to be well rich and fluffy in my hands, so, and I want it to be perfect pizza dough. So that's why I'm adding cooking oil. You can also add olive oil into this. Any oil you have available that you want to add is perfectly well. You can as well use butter to as your oil, mist of oil. So let me just mix this and it will be well combined. I want it to be rich with oil. So let me cover this and everything is perfectly mixed and our dough is almost ready. I'm going to cover this and put it in a warm place for an hour. You can as well make it for 5 minutes. It all depends on how fast you want it. So let's go ahead and prepare our chicken breast. I have chicken breast and I'm going to go ahead and add some pinch of salt. Then I'm going to add some black pepper, just give it a nice taste and let it to be rich with flavor. Then some chili pepper. I wanted to have that taste of spice in it, so I want it to be spicy, so some chili pepper. Then I'm going to go ahead and add some seasoning to give it a nice taste. Everything just pinch. I don't want it to be too much. Then you can as well mix it. Let's go straight to our pan and start cooking our chicken breast. So I just add some cooking oil in the pot. Then I'm going to go ahead and start adding our chicken breast. Sometimes some people make a chicken a suya, you know, that Nigeria suya spice. You can as well use it to mix your chicken and just give it that nice taste. And if you know Nigeria suya spice, you can as well use that, or just make your chicken taste the way you want it. So I'm going to go ahead and cook this until it's well cooked. When you are cooking this, remember to prepare it in a low flame, that's medium, so everything to be well cooked and rich with flavor. So this is it. I'm going to leave for 2 to 3 minutes, then I'll flip it to the other side. So this is how it's going to look after flipping it to the other side. So this is it. You can see it's a little bit golden brown, not brown, not black, but golden brown. So I'm going to allow the other side to cook as well. Then I'm going to reduce the heat to low because I want that flame to still remain in it and the chicken should be well cooked. Please cook your chicken very well. Yes, it's always good to cook it. And let's go ahead and prepare our pizza sauce. This pizza sauce, I prepared it in my previous video. I'm going to put the link in the description below, and how to prepare your pizza sauce. I'm going to share that with you, and this is how I make it. And I'm going to add some other, you can add tomato paste, you can just make it more red, or you can add, I use tomatoes ketchup, or you buy the pizza sauce in the mall. You can as well do that, or you just use the homemade. That one is very nice red. Then I'm going to go ahead and add some cooking oil. I want it to be, some people will say just a teaspoon of cooking oil, that's tablespoon of cooking oil. I'm just going to add that. Then I'm going to go ahead and add some black pepper and some salt, just to give it taste, and some, this sauce is different from the one I prepared last time. Then some pepper, as I said, I like spicy food. Yes, I like spicy food. Just some dry chili pepper, just you just feel that taste. But if you don't like a spicy food, you can as well skip that chili pepper. Then just some pinch of salt. I'm going to go ahead and add pinch of salt just to give it that taste, then spice and black pepper, as I said earlier. So I'm just going to, that's how I'm going to prepare my pizza sauce. I already shared the link. I'll put the link in the description below. I make my homemade pizza sauce. So our sauce is ready, and let's go ahead and check our dough. This is already 45 minutes. Let's go and check our dough. So I'm just going to add some flour in the surface. The dough will be a little bit sticky because the liquid I used was much. I want my dough to be sticky. I don't want it to be too dry. So this is how it looks. You can see it looks really beautiful because of the wheat flour. It looks perfect. So I'm going to go ahead and scoop it and put it in the surface. I'm just going to give it some touch of hand, then just work my pizza dough for some couple of minutes. Then we start filling up our pizza. Have you subscribed to my channel yet? What are you waiting for? Please do not forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell button so you get notification of my new recipe. And remember to hit the like button on this video. For all subscribers and new subscribers, thanks so much. And keep on watching and keep on commenting on my recipe to make me improve more. And let's just go ahead and mold this. I just want it to be a little bit firm and fluffy in my hand, so that's why I'm just trying to mold it. And as I said it will be a little bit sticky in my hand, so I'm just going to rub the surface with flour and use my hand to mold it. Then we start filling up our pizza. And this pizza recipe is very delicious and it's very easy. As I said, it's very easy to prepare. I really enjoy making pizza at home, and my children really love pizza. And write it in the comments below, what pizza did you love? Is it cheese pizza or chicken pizza? Just let me know in the comment section. And I'm also going to let you know the type of pizza I really love, my family love more. So I'll wait to put that also in the description below. So let's just start filling up our pizza, and this is how I'm going to do it. You can as well cut your dough into two if you don't want your pizza to be too big. And as I said, I like big. I like something big. So I enjoy my pizza when it's very big. So I'm just going to use my hand to wide the dough. I want the pizza dough to be very flat. You can as well use your roller pin to do this. It's because of the shape I'm going to do in this my pizza. So I'm going to use my hand. I'm just going to use my hand to make a hole, and so it will be deep. And this is how I'm going to do it. I'm going to put my other hand like flat, then I'll be using my finger to put a hole and moving it round until it rounds the pizza pan. This is the outcome after everything. And you can as well use your pizza stone to make your pizza. So since I don't have pizza stone and I only have pizza pan, so I'm going to use my pan to make my pizza. And this is how I make my homemade pizza at home. This is how I make my pizza for my family. So let's start filling up our pizza. So start filling up the pizza. So I'm going to go ahead and add my pizza sauce. I already show you how I make my pizza sauce and how I mix my ingredients with my pizza sauce. I'm going to put the link in the description. You can as well watch how I make my homemade pizza sauce. I make it is a video, complete video on how I make homemade pizza and how I make homemade pizza dough and how I make homemade pizza sauce. So you can as well check that out. I'll put it in the description below. So I'm going to fill up the pizza with sauce, with the pizza sauce. Then we'll go ahead and start putting it, and you can as well fill up your pizza with anything you feel like doing. As I said, we are using cheese, we are using a red bell pepper and green bell pepper. Then we are also using onions, and we are also using cheese. So as I said, all these ingredients will be in the description below, so do not forget to check that out. So let's just fill it up and let's put it in the oven. So let me go ahead and add our cheese. Going to add, I grate this cheese, is a mozzarella cheese. Yes, I use my hand grater or box grater to grate it. So everything is prepared fresh from home, so I didn't buy any packaged one. So I just make everything fresh. I love doing everything from scratch. As I said, I'm going to show you every step, and I'm not going to skip any step of this pizza. So let's just fill our cheese on top of the pizza. This release, I can't wait for this to be ready. Yes, I can't wait for the pizza to be ready. So let's just fill it up and let's start putting our chicken, our pepper and other filling. So you can twist your pizza filling to anything. You can put anything you feel like. You can even put spinach. You can put olive. You can put anything you feel like putting on top on your pizza surface. It makes it your own taste and your own recipe. So that's why I say just let me know how you make your homemade pizza and what is how you're feeling. So I'm just going to put the onions on the surface. Actually, I'm supposed to put the chicken first. It doesn't matter anything you want to put first. You just fill up your pizza surface and yes, the taste you want. So I'm just going to add my onions and add my green bell pepper. So let's go ahead and add our green bell pepper. Then let's go ahead and just let it cover the surface as much as you want it. So that is what I'm going to do. And then I'm going to go ahead and add more onions because my kids really like it when I add more onions and more vegetables on my pizza. Even they are even requesting for more pizza. So I'm going to fill in the chicken. I showed the how I make the chicken, so I just cut the chicken to smaller size. So I'm going to fill up the chicken on the surface, and I want it to be more. I love more chicken. When I can feel the chicken on my every bite of my pizza. So that's why I'm adding more chicken on the surface. So let it fill it, and do not forget to hit the like up button on this video, and do not forget to share this recipe with your loved ones. And once you finish trying this pizza recipe, let me know in the comment below. Let me know what you think about this recipe. So I'm going to go ahead and add another ingredients. I am done with my chicken, so I'm going to go ahead and add my red bell pepper. Yes, so that is the next ingredients I'm going to go ahead and add now. So let me just add it. It's looking like I still have some chicken. Let me still add more chicken. I told you I really love adding chicken on my pizza. I love it when there's more chicken on it, because once I bite any part of the pizza, I want to feed that bite of chicken and cheese, and I want all the filling to be in every bite. So that's why I'm filling it up. So let's just go ahead and add red bell pepper, but this is how I look before the red bell pepper. So let's add our red bell pepper just to give it another more colors. And as I said, you can add anything you feel like adding. You can add spinach. You just fill in your pizza the way you want it. So this is it. I'm just going to add a little more. You can add more as how you want. You can even add chili pepper, so fresh chili pepper. So I'm just going to rub the edges with egg white or egg yolk, anyone you want to use to rub it. You can as well leave it optional. You can make it optional, but I just want it to make the pizza to be well baked and bring out that golden color of that wheat I used. So that's why I'm using this. Why am I saying egg white? Mixed egg on pizza surface. Then we'll go ahead and put it in the oven. If you've not subscribed, please do not forget to hit the subscribe button and remember to like this video and share it with your loved ones. Let's go ahead and put this in the oven. And do not forget to follow me on my other social media like my Facebook page. Just search for Olayemi Cooking, and as well search for Olayemi Cooking on YouTube once you visit YouTube. And you can as well follow me on Twitter, on Instagram, and also on TikTok. You can as well follow me. All you need to do is to search for Olayemi Cooking or Pretty Olayemi, and then you get to find me. And do not forget to follow me and to see more of my delicious recipe. As I said, this is our pizza. Our pizza is out of the oven, it's ready to be eaten, and it smells really good. I can't wait to share the taste with you, and my kids are waiting for this. So let's start slicing our pizza into smaller sizes. Then let me show you how it looks. You can see that cheese, you can see that color, see the cheese. Oh, look at it, it looks so inviting. Do not forget to let me know what you think about this pizza recipe in the comment section, and do not forget to watch more of my recipe on pop-off and yogurt pancake and chin chin. And do not forget to check out this Nigeria buns. Thanks so much for watching my video. Do not forget to subscribe and please be safe out there. I guess I'll see you in my next recipe.